Hello. When you were here, I gave you a page to look at and see if you could use that as a guideline. But I want you to go through this process that I say. This is called cell A1. This is cell A1. I click there and highlight all of this from here to here, which means after you click it there, after you highlight it, clicks, excuse me, merge and cell. Imagine that I want to create a budget for Grand Memorial Hospital, for example. I write Grand Memorial Hospital. And then I want you to again click here and again highlight all the way from here to cell M2 and again merge and center and click monthly estimates. Now I want you to click on cell A3, which is right here, and then I want you to type income. And then I want you to type January here, then type February, then March. After you type that and you click enter, it brings you to the box below. You bundle these three together. Do you see? Highlight all three of them and bring the arrow to a very corner. Do you see when it is here? You see this kind of more like American Red Cross, this, but I would say White Cross. Do you see that? But and then when you bundle them together and you bring the arrow to the very corner, it changes from this plus to a solid plus. And then hold on to the mouse, right mouse button, and drag it all the way through cell M. And do you see it puts the months for you? This is called fill handle. It fills it for you. That's a power that Excel has. Now, I want you to click under income and imagine that you are a consultant and you are working for Grand Memorial Hospital, and the Grand Memorial Hospital gives you commission. You write commission. And then under it, imagine you have some income, which is interest from the bank. And then the commission that you are getting from, by providing some services to Grand Memorial Hospital, you click here and imagine in January you can make $1,000 commission. Click here and then bring the arrow to the very corner and drag it all the way. You get all these 1,000. Imagine in July they give you 2,000, and in August they give you 2,000. And then in September, October, November, and December, they give you 1,000. You type 1,000, you click enter, you click back here, and you drag it all the way here. That is what they give you as a commission. Now you have some money in the bank, and rather than imagine your name is Jane Doe, for example, and then I change instead of Grand Memorial Hospital because they give you commission. Now, interest, you have some money in the bank and you get $100 commission. You type 100, click enter, bring this one back here and drag it all the way through. And that is 100 everywhere. You see that? And then I write total. That is your total salary in the month of January. You click here. And of course, you can add this 1,100 is 1,100. However, instead of adding them, you click here where it says auto sum, click on this arrow and click sum. When you click that, you will see these, lines in here asking you, are you sure you want to add 1,100? That's what you want to do. After you see this, one time if you click enter, it shows 100, 110. You click here and then bring the arrow to the very corner, hold on to the right mouse button and drag it all the way to see the total for every month. That's your income. I click on the bold and I click bold here, and I want to make sure you understood this part and you are able to do this. I'm going to email this to you and I want you to create the same thing and email it back to me. This is what I have created. I want you to create similar one to what I have done here to make sure you know how to get started.